In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up estimated delivery dates on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Etsy calculates estimated delivery dates based on your processing time and the shipping carrier's transit time, helping buyers know when to expect their order. Now, if you want to set up estimated delivery dates on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website or app and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager to access your store dashboard. After that, go to Settings and then click on Shipping Settings. Now, create or edit a shipping profile. Set your processing time based on how long it takes you to prepare an order. Then, choose your shipping carrier and select the delivery service you use. Etsy will use this to calculate transit time. Make sure the transit time is accurate for both domestic and international shipping if applicable. Once everything is set, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Etsy will now automatically show estimated delivery dates on your listings, helping buyers feel more confident and improving your chances of making a sale.